In this video, we will cover the common acronyms in the crypto world so you can easily navigate this space. Let's see how well you know them. Don't worry if you get them wrong. We will also give a short description or definition to the acronyms. Cheers to becoming an OG soon. Let's get started. 1/1. One of one. A unique edition or one of an NFT. Since there is only one piece, it is scarce, thus it is seen as valuable. AMA. Ask me anything. Now, you know what it means if you see a #AMA channel in a server in Discord. ATH. All-time high. The highest price of a coin or token in history. ATL. All-time low. The lowest price of a coin or token in history. BSC. Binance Smart Chain. Main purpose of this blockchain is for developing faster dApps that can work together or in parallel with the Binance chain. BTDs or BTFD. Buy the dip, buy the dip. As what it means, buy it when the price is at its lowest. CEX. Centralized Exchange. A crypto exchange that is run by a company in a centralized, traditional way like stock exchanges. They usually cost more to use but are less risky than DEX. CZ. Changpeng Zhao. He is the founder and CEO of Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange. DApps-Decentralized Applications. An application that is on the decentralized network like the blockchain. DAO. Decentralized Autonomous Organization. A community where everyone can participate and own for a common purpose, and not governed by a single entity. DeFi, decentralized finance. Goodbye banks. Only you have access to your money. DEX, Decentralized Exchange. A peer-to-peer exchange of coins. There are no middlemen. Uniswap and PancakeSwap are examples of DEX. DLT, Distributed Ledger Technology. A technology that allows simultaneous access, validation, and record updating to a database immutably across various places. DYOR. Do your own research. We love this acronym. All our content is for entertainment purposes. Ultimately, you will need to do your own research before you buy something. FOMO. Fear of missing out. Most crypto trading is driven by emotions rather than values, so this FOMO is very true in recent times. FUD. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. We love this one too. There are many FUDers around spreading FUD to drive the price of certain coins. GM. Good morning. Use this in Discord and Twitter NFT communities so you can sound like an OG. You can use GM any time of the day as the community is global. GN. Good night. It's a friendly and happy community, so remember to say your good mornings and nights. GMI. Gonna make it. Another one you will love to use, especially if you bought some new crypto early and expects them to go to the moon. HFSP. Have fun staying poor. Use this to reply non-believers who are quick to say crypto are scams. HODL. Hold on for dear life. A typo for hold, but everyone just assumed it's to hold on for dear life. IYKYK. If you know, you know. Means it makes sense for some people and not everyone. ICO. Initial coin offering. A type of crowdfunding using cryptocurrencies to raise capital. IGO. Initial game offering. Another type of funding to raise capital for gaming projects. JOMO. Joy of missing out. The opposite of FOMO. KYC. Know your customer. Crypto exchanges and trading platforms verify the identity of their customers through KYC checks to prevent fraud, money laundering, and so on. LL. Larva Labs. The creators of CryptoPunks, who are John Watkinson and Matt Hall. MetaMask. A popular NFT wallet for Ethereum transactions. And FA. Not financial advice. Expect to see a lot of this acronym on this channel. Our videos are for educational purposes and not financial advice. NFT. Non-fungible token. Check our video on what is an NFT, link in the description below. NGMI. Not gonna make it. means missing out on the profits. It is the opposite of GMI, which is gonna make it. OG, original gangster. The badass, the first, the old school, the originator. Someone highly respected or admired. You get it. OS, OpenSea. The leading NFT marketplace on the Ethereum network. P2E, play to earn. Games on the blockchain that allows you to earn coins. We think this is the trend for 2022. Do check out our GameFi playlist on Townstar, a P2E game, link in the description below. PFP, profile picture. A unique profile picture in the crypto space. You can set your NFTs as a PFP. It's similar but yet not the same as an avatar, as it's designed to be unique. POS, proof of stake. A kind of decentralized consensus mechanism for validating transactions through staking of coins. It is an alternative to proof of work. POW, proof of work. Another kind of decentralized consensus mechanism for validating transactions through solving mathematical puzzles, commonly used in crypto mining. P&D, pump and dump. Price manipulation at its best. Traders coordinate to drive the price of a coin up, creating a false demand for it before they sell the coin at a higher price. Sats, Satoshi, which is the smallest unit of Bitcoin. WAGMI, we all gonna make it. A saying to show camaraderie with fellow members in the community to build confidence. That's the end of the video. Did we miss out any acronyms? Let us know in the comment section and we will do a part 2. Please feel free to share our videos with your friends so everyone can learn more about crypto and blockchains. If you find this video useful, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. It's a form of encouragement to the creators, and we thank you for that support. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also check out our video about the top crypto buzzwords you need to know. See you there.